Good afternoon and welcome back to the screencast, friends. Today on Math You Should Know, we're talking about coordinate planes. Here's a great picture of a coordinate plane. First things first, I guess we need to talk about a word called the origin. The origin is the place where you begin, and that is, well, you can see it right here, friends, right in the middle, and we call that 0, 0. Other things we need to know are the names of these things called axes. An axis is kind of just a line, but it kind of sets things apart. Let's go red first. This is called the x-axis, and when we're plotting items on our coordinate plane, we start with the x number first. We grow out first, as some people can recall. And secondly is the y-axis, and we grow up or down depending on what number we are plotting. You'll notice things called quadrants. Here's quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. And those are kind of important because a question might ask us to put a coordinate pair in quadrant 3, in which case I might just go right over here and put that dot in saying, well, that goes into quadrant 3. You'll notice, we change the color. How about blue? Fantastic. These pairs of numbers, and they look very similar, except there's a negative symbol thrown in here and there. These are called ordered pairs, and the reason that is there, let me show you, is I counted over, firstly, 1, 2, which explains the 2 in this ordered pair, and then I counted up 1, 2, 3 spaces until I got to that. That's the second. This is called the x-axis, and this is called the y-axis. More of that to come. Over here, we see -2, which means we go 1, 2. And that's sort of going backwards. When we start at the origin of 0, go back 2. That's -2. And then a +3, which is upward. 1, 2, 3, and we reach that spot. -2 again, but this time -3, we're going down. 1, 2, and 3. We end up right there. And last but not least, this 2, -3, we have a +2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, and we have arrived. Please take note, I graphed the x-axis first always. They come in alphabetical order, x then y. First we go this way, then we go that way. All right, let's take a look at a more traditional looking coordinate plane. It does have numbers on it, which is helpful. Right now there's a dot that's a coordinate pair already labeled. Can you think about and think of what numbers would set this coordinate pair off? What is the coordinate pair for this particular spot, this graph point? If you said, well, I'm going to start at 0 and count 1, 2, 3, 4, but -4, I agree. And then I went up, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or +6, -4, 6, that's correct. If I said, please graph on your coordinate plane this coordinates, 6, 6. Like this. 6 came first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the x-axis, and then we're going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So right there is 6. 6. We'll do one more, and then I think you have a good firm grasp of what we're doing here. Let's just say our coordinate pair is -2, -4. Starting at the origin, always, and moving on x. We're going to go backward 2, 1, 2, and down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And right there, we have the coordinate pair, -2, -4. Sorry about my bad handwriting. Ladies and gentlemen, that's coordinate pairs. Thanks for listening. Good night and good math.